and welcome to another edition of SchindlerHaughton's Elevator Parts Collection. As you see here, this is a KONE European KSS button. This is basically the European equivalent to KSS 370. This is the newest addition to my elevator parts collection. I only got this last week as of when this video is made. So anyway, let's press the button. This is not brand new, but I mean, it was slightly used, but it is still pretty new. And this also came with a plug. I probably wouldn't be able to use this. I think I've seen this plug before, but still, I don't want to fry anything. I got this for $60 off eBay, plus shipping. The original asking price was $125, but I managed to talk the guy down to $60. So anyway, that's it for this edition of SchindlerHaughton's Elevator Parts Collection. So, that's it.